everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. A place where you can find a lot of unboxings, haul, product reviews, home decor, and more. Today you are gonna see another unboxing from Chanel that I have right here, and it's something very excited, very pretty, that I really wanted so bad, and I finally was able to get it. So I'm gonna show you, it's an SLG, so a small leather good from Chanel. So this is something that I really want. And being that I already have my Chanel bag, I wanted something very nice, something that go with it, and every time that I use it, that I can get this one out too and look pretty. I really want to have it, and I look at the pre-loved stores and they all range between $750 and $800. I was able to get it at the store, and I say why not, because I'm gonna pay much less for a new product. I'm gonna show you right now what I'm talking about. So let me know if you like unboxing videos like this. Let me know in the comment down below. This can also be a perfect present or gift for anybody, any occasion, any time of the year. So if you really have this on your wish list, you don't have to be this year, but next year you can definitely work toward it, or you can buy it to a loved one or to yourself. Okay, so this is how everything compact, guys. You can see that is just like that, making sure the package is protected. So it says right here, lift, and I lift this. I like this cute window, kind of like it. So this is all the information, I guess, of the purchase, receipt, and all that. Let's move this out of the way, and we have this beauty right here. Another, this is the receipt from the 57th Street in New York. And finally we have this beautiful package. Like always, the presentation is so beautiful with a beautiful camellia. And we are unwrapping this beauty right here. And we have these bags. Let me know, guys, if you have any idea what it is. I'm just so excited. It comes in this beautiful Burberry pouch, and this is the care book. And we have right here, come with this pouch, which I love the history. It's like a regular coat material, and we open it, and this beautiful, the Chanel classic card holder. This is what I love the most, that have this big package in the back pocket. It's pretty roomy don't know if you guys can see it. It's very big. It's in caviar with gold hardware. Still have the little plastic on there. So pretty. Chanel. Right here the card, gold medal, and the authentication card. Other information. It's a black burgundy. This is what it look like. I had to tell you, it's a big space. Like it's made in France. I love it. The gold hardware. I can definitely put card here, which I can put in the front. I usually don't take a lot of card with me, just my license, maybe a credit card, health insurance card. But this here is big space, so I'm pretty sure I can put some. You can put money, you can put your key. It's very, very roomy. This is what it looks like. This caviar is beautiful and has sun shining into. Super beautiful condition. I just love it. Let me know down the comment down below, guys, if you like this kind of XOXO from Chanel. This one in specific, the classic wallet or card holder. What do you think about this packet in the bag? I see another one. I don't know from what year, or because some of them don't have this packet right here. I think this one, this kind of like got me. This big packet, you can actually put something that you want to grab right away, and it's pretty roomy, definitely pretty roomy. So I can probably put more than one card, definitely more than two cards. Yes, I really love it. Really in love with it. So pretty. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this small unboxing. Let me know down below how you like it. Share this video to a XOXO lover or XOXO Chanel lover. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. See you in my next video. Bye.